Some of us always have something to say when we see someone wearing long nails, rather they're nasty or they're hoey. But the fact's that we don't know the back end of the story. Let me tell you the history of how long nails started. Back in the days, there was a family of short nails, 3 little children. Little Stacy, the youngest one, always curious, walk up to her parents and say, "Mom, Dad, how come we only have short nails? How come we don't have long nails?" The mom walk up and say, "Honey, you are too young. As you get older, you will understand." The dad was furious. Dad was like, "Don't you ever mention long nails. Short nails are clean, intelligent, and it's for good people." So, little Stacy kind of put her head down, walked into her room. And one day, little Stacy was at a park and she raised up her hand and she matched her finger with the tree and she noticed, oh, what if her nails was that long? She was getting excited. So you know what little Stacy did? She went home, sneaked into her parents' room, looked under the bed, and stole $25 and walked into the salon and get a full set of long nail. At this moment, Stacy was 35 years old. And she got so excited getting those long nails on. She went home, showed her parent. Her dad was so mad. "Why you go against us? Kick her out." She's like, "You know what? You don't believe in my long nail? I will show you. I will bring you the hoochie era mama." And that's how everybody started wearing long nails.